Most of the food that we eat is prepared by heating. Using heat to prepare food is called cooking. We cook cereals, pulses, flour, meat, and vegetables to make them soft, germ-free, and easy to digest. We use different fuels in different types of stoves for cooking. The gas stove uses LPG. LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas. Microwave oven, induction stove, and baking oven use electricity. Chula and tandoor oven need wood or coal as fuel. A kerosene stove uses kerosene. The solar cooker traps the heat of the sun and uses solar energy. Our kitchens have pots and pans made of clay, stainless steel, aluminium, copper, brass, and glass. Different utensils are used for different types of cooking. Food may be prepared by boiling, steaming, deep frying, shallow frying, baking, roasting, or grilling. Boiling and steaming requires water. We can cook food in boiling water. Look, potatoes and noodles are getting cooked by boiling. Here, food is placed in a pan above the boiling water. Hot steam cooks the food. Idlis and momos are cooked by steaming. Special steamers are used for cooking idlis and momos. Pressure cookers use steam under pressure for quick cooking. Frying uses oil. For deep frying, a frying pan or wok is used. Food is dropped carefully into hot oil where it gets cooked. Papads and puris are deep fried. A flat griddle or tawa is used for shallow frying. Paranthas and fried eggs are made this way. Baking and roasting make use of dry heat or hot air. Food is placed in a pan in an electric oven or tandoor or directly over hot coal. Bread, biscuits, and cakes are baked in ovens. Meat and rotis can be roasted in a hot tandoor. In a grill, food such as corn cob, meat, etc. are cooked directly over a flame or hot coal. Slices of bread are toasted in a toaster. Cooked food is delicious to eat and healthy too.